Hey Benjamin, this is Joseph Graham with Upshot Solutions, and my partners at the Lone Star Times said you may want some more information about what we do over here. So you are a water damage restoration service in Austin. When somebody is looking for something or a service that you provide, they're going to do one of two things: ask somebody that they know, or get online and look for a service provider, right? Either or. They're either going to ask somebody word of mouth referral, or they're going to hop online and either going to put it in a search bar, or they're going to ask like Siri or Cortana. This is Cortana. She's a little robot. These little robots. So people talk to these robots, ask them questions and whatnot. And when it comes online, you're going to get results. So you got people paying for ads. You got people in the map pack or the maps. Then you have the organic listings. 70% of searchers will use one of these three. And most likely they're going to go with the one with the most reviews, right? So how do people get there? Here are the key elements to ranking organically. Now, as you noticed, people paying for ads. They pay for ads because they know the value of being on page one. And of course, these are going to say like Fort Worth, because I'm located in Fort Worth, right? But still, there's still people paying for ads because they know the value. They have to buy their way in here. They don't know the organic uh, elements that I'm about to show you. And the first one is that map listing. When it's optimized, you're building trust with Google. You're building trust with the public. Now, I will congratulate you on getting this many reviews. Most people or businesses don't even breach, 20 or 10, right? So that's also going to help you very much. Okay, now also building citations for your map listing. So whenever you have your name, address, phone number, and your site on a Facebook page, Facebook gives you a citation. When you do that for Yelp, Yellow Pages, local Chamber of Commerce, and there's literally hundreds of other places to get citations. The more the merrier. Content is the words on your site. It needs to be authoritative. It needs to be relevant to what, people are searching for. Then you got backlinks, which push your online, like anything you have online has a URL. You're like, what's the URL? It's that www dot, that's that .com. Anything with the URL can get a backlink. And these are like the fuel. This is the fuel that pushes everything to page one. Now here we go. This is your heat map. So anybody looking for, let's refresh it. You're looking for water damage restoration. Not everybody is in the same location, right? You got some people in Bluff Springs. You got some people in Oak Hill, some people over here at Dipping Springs. Everybody's going to have a different search result unless you really dominate the area. So you're going to be listed. You want to be one, two, or three. If you're not one, two, or three in those maps, you're not going to get shown. So that means 4 through 20. These people, or you're not being displayed when someone searches for water damage restoration. You're not being shown in those search results. Only the 1, 2s, and 3s. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. So if you don't rank there, who does? Who dominates Austin? Well, now you got water damage of Austin. These guys, right? Let's just look at them. See how they're like pretty green over here? Pretty cool. You can kind of see like what about like down here? Let's look at WoW. Like what does WoW got going on? So as you can see, different people get different results, right? Utilizing these key elements is definitely going to help you. From my own experience, for the last 10 years, a strong site will help. When your site ranks in your organics, it's ultimately your map listing is going to follow, right? But it is possible to get this here before your site gets down here, right? And it is possible for these things to like get knocked off. When it's in the organics, it's there for like a pretty long time because I've been able to knock people out, right? So I hope this was kind of informative for you. If you have any, questions, you can always visit upshotsolutionsllc.com and or respond to the email that I sent you this to. Okay, thanks.